course, with the best of the best. Maghang Sir Nax. I've been with our company, Culture Days, ng Larawan 7 years ago. And now naman, 7 years later, we have Song of the Fireflies. Isa na rin siya sa mga film festivals. And of course, malaki talaga ang suporta sa pelikula Filipino. Of course, inaasahan namin ang support. Of course, the Philippine government does so much na para put Philippine cinema on the world stage.
Yes, nakapula ka.
Sana hindi naman 7 years ulit. Sana may susunod pa. Although, nag-umpisa pa lang talaga yung journey namin, kami yung company namin, Song of the Fireflies, and of course, congratulate ko sa directors, Bing Malisog, and of course, ang best actress na si Morissette.
And of course, best supporting actress.
Maraming.
Kailan na po commercial release na sila siya?
June 25 na, dito sa Philippine Cinemas. And of course, susunod na dyan yung release sa mga ibang mga communities, mga Filipino communities around the world. Marami na talagang nag-inquire kasi excited talaga sa mga panahon. In the meantime, dito muna sa atin. Pero before that pala, we're going to be at the World Fest Houston International Film Festival where it's in competition now. May 1 and 2 are going to be there. Sana po yung mga taga-Texas mapanood po ang Song of the Fireflies on May 1 sa Memorial City, Houston po yan. Yes. So it's the origin story po of the Lombok Children's Choir. Isa po siyang world-renowned choir na nagpo-compete around the world mula pa noong 1980. So yung kanilang founder na teacher na si Alma Taldo, played by Morissette, siya ang nag-umpisa nitong grupo na to, and since then, of course, generation after generation to the present day, bumabiyahe ang mga batang to, singing, of course, using their God-given singing voices, which I always say is our superpower as Filipinos. Meron lalabas at the end of the month, nasaan si Jesus? With Jeffrey Hidalgo, Geneva Cruz, among others. Mag-asawa ko kami ni Jeffrey Hidalgo. It's a story about a community, about the different problems and different challenges that we as Christians face dito sa ating bansa. And I think very, very relevant ito, lalo na sa coming, it's going to be shown right after the Holy Week. So parang maganda siyang, something to contemplate. Yeah. Like that naman is really nasa bahay na siya ulit. So which is good. And thank you so much lahat pa ng mga nag-send ng mga well wishes and prayers. That's good. Every day magkasama kami. Well, of course, alam naman niya na may mga work na rin ako. And so, I've been here now for the past 2 months, except for the time na when this for LA for 3 days lang. And, my dad would actually be out there performing. In fact, yung tour niya with the Apple and the Hitmakers, hindi ko siya nakasama ngayon. But with your prayers and God willing ko sa susunod ko, mapapanood nyo na siya ulit. Very nice.
Gusto pa rin talaga niya mag-perform?
Oo naman. Siyempre, first love niya talaga ang singing and performing for all of you. Nothing makes us happier kaming mga singers eh. And in my mind, nakikita ko na tatapa kami ng interview kasama ko dito. I always tell them, in this case, I think kailangan, it's something that we all have to believe in. And of course, yung lahat ng friends niya, lahat ng nagdadasal sa kanya, believe that too. So, yeah.